gusto namin yung pagkain kahit malayo yun. I-travel talaga namin. And then, isang restaurant lang talaga yung puntahan namin. We keep on coming the same restaurant kasi yan ang gusto ng anak ko. So that's why we are here. Let's go inside. Gusto niya dito. I really want the food here. That is why we have to travel for 1 hour. And late na din yung dinner namin. What time is it now? So this is how we order. Scan here first. And then use here. Yan. Dito lang kami mag-order. Walang waitress, waiter, dito na orderan mo. Self-order. Since last time, I ordered already last time I ordered the sea bass. Now, I want to try to order the different food. So here's my son food. Grilled kambing. You are seeing right? So here's my food, chicken chop with fried rice. Oh my god, that's so yummy. Here's my food, guys. That is my food. Oh my god, that's a lot. If gonna finish, I tell you. Okay, yeah. So let's eat, guys. Why you didn't give me that? Oh my god. You didn't give me the knife. I want ang sambal. What's a sambal? See the fried rice? Best. I'm gonna try it. First, I'm doing it. Where you didn't drink it? Which one there? Let's continue eating. Guys. Ito siya parang fried rice. Sambal. Good trip. Diba? But I like this. Some rice, very nice with the one. Tapi na, dami na rice guys, oh. Fried rice. Ah. It's nice with that. It's fried rice with the kambing. Ayan, try. Guys, kung po kaya, kaming rice. Oh, sure. Ayan. Ayan. Sharing. Ayan, kambing. Hindi ko ito maubos guys. Maubos to. Dami. Ito sa atin guys is krope. Krope, no? Sarap kaya ito. Ano? Paris with fried rice. Lahat ng pagkain dito may ganyan. Krope. Ito yung kambing. Grilled kambing. Hindi siya lamb. It's kambing. Iba din yung lamb. Can I try your drink? Ay, asam. Asam naman. Finish. Yung anak ko. If I cannot finish daw, siya daw mag-finish. Ubusin daw niya. Can you give me this one? The widget? Yan. Anak ko di kinakain yung ano. Paborito ko ito. Pampaganda at pampabata. Pipino is the key. Pipino is the key. Try ko itong kambing dito sa black pepper. Sarap. Finish up eh. Sure. Eat with the rice also together. You have to finish the rice. Huh? Can? Rice. Hindi ko na kaya guys. So, may janitor fish ako dito. Siya na daw ubos. Ah. Hindi ko kaya guys. Ang dami. Siya daw mag-ubos. Sabi niya kanina, Mami, if you cannot finish, tell me. Kuha din siya ng kuha. Grabe ang laki nun. Hindi ko kaya. Mura lang yung ano nila. Sulit na sulit yung pagkain. For 16 ringgit. 16 ringgit lang. The best. Yours is how much? 12. 10. 19. Free drink pa. 3, 2, 1, go. Busin daw niya. Last time, ako yung taga-ubos ng pagkain niya. Ako yung taga-ubos. Ngayon, baliktad na. Siya na yung taga-ubos ng pagkain ko. Diba? Ganda pa ng lipstick ko, guys. It's Maybelline 24 hours matte. Hindi yan mabura, guys. Wala. Kahit magkipaglaplapan ka pa, hindi talaga yan mabura. See? Wala. Tingnan. Kaya di yan mabura, guys. Kaya pag kumakain kami, alam kong bakbakan talaga na kainan. Ito yung ginagamit ko, guys, na lipstick. Pero kailangan, pag binura to, lagyan ng yung oil, yung pang makeup remover talaga. Kasi hanggang pagising mo, andyan, pulang-pula pa din yung vels. Yung lips natin. Bye! That's all. Thanks for watching!